Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 6 is the compound interest formula. It says A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. And the problem says how much money will Cypress have in her account after 10 years if she invests $4,000 at a rate of 6% that is compounded monthly. So let's figure out what the variables mean. A is the amount of money in the account. So that's after the investment and the interest. P is the principal. That's what you're investing. And in this problem, it's $4,000. R is the rate at which the interest is being compounded, and so that's 6%, or in decimal form, 0.06. N is the number of times that it's compounded within a year, and since this says monthly, N will be equal to 12, since there's 12 months in a year. And T is the time that the investment is for, and in this case, it's 10 years. So now that we know what all the variables are, we'll just substitute. So A is equal to the principal, which is 4,000, that's the amount we invested, times 1 plus, the rate is 6%, and in decimal form, that's 0.06, over N, which is the number of times it's compounded in a year, and since this is compounded monthly, it's 12, raised to the N again, that's the same 12, and the time of the investment is 10 years. And so now we just have to simplify according to the order of operations. So we're actually going to start in parentheses like normal. We have the division, 0.06 divided by 12. If you punch that in a calculator, you get 0.005 plus the 1. That will give you 1.005 times the 4,000 that was the principal on the investment, and 12 times 10 is just 120. And so now we have to punch that in the calculator. We'll take 4,000 and multiply it by 1.005 raised to the 120, and we find out that the amount that Cypress would have in her account is $7,277.59.